Today we have to see how to form differential equation in the point formation of differential equation. Formation of differential equation if the given equation contains one arbitrary constant, then we can differentiate first time, one time, then we can eliminate this arbitrary constant and form the differential equation. The equation contains two arbitrary constants, then two times we can differentiate this equation. In this way, if the equation contains n arbitrary constant, then we can differentiate n times, then we eliminate the arbitrary constant. In this way, we have to form the differential equation. See the examples in exercise number 6.2. Obtain the differential equation to eliminating arbitrary constants. First example is x cube plus y cube equal to 4ax. This is the first example. Here in this equation, a is the one of the constant. Then we can differentiate first time, one time. Then we can eliminate this constant a. See here, differentiate with respect to x. We get derivative of x cube. What is the derivative of x cube? Is 3x square. 3x square. Similarly, derivative of y cube is 3y square, and derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx is equal to 4a is a constant. Take this as a constant 4a, and derivative of x is 1. Therefore, we get 3x square plus 3y square dy by dx is equal to 4a. Substitute this value of 4a in this equation. We get x cube plus y cube is equal to 3x square plus 3y square dy by dx into x. Simplify this bracket, we get x cube plus y cube equal to x into 3x square is 3x cube plus 3xy square dy by dx. Here x cube, here 3x cube. Take these two terms in right hand side and simplify it. We get 3x cube minus x cube is 2x cube minus y cube plus 3xy square dy by dx is equal to 0. This is the differential equation of this equation. X cube plus y cube equal to 4ax. Second example is y is equal to a cos log x plus b sin log x. In this equation, a and b are two arbitrary constants. Therefore, we can differentiate two times. Then these arbitrary constants can be eliminated. See, differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to a is the arbitrary constant. Derivative of cos is minus sin log x into derivative of log x is 1 upon x. This is the composite function. Therefore, first take the derivative of cos is minus sin, then then derivative of log x is 1 upon x plus b into derivative of sin x is cos log x into derivative of log x is 1 upon x. Here the both denominator has the x. Take this value in left side. Therefore we get x divided by dx is equal to a into minus sign, that is minus a sin log of x plus b cos log of x. Again differentiate with respect to x, we get again differentiate with respect to x, we get take the product, use the product rule here. X into derivative of dy by dx is d2y by dx square plus dy by dx into derivative of x is 1 is equal to minus a into derivative of sin log x is cos log x into derivative of log x is 1 upon x plus b into derivative of cos log x is minus sin log x into derivative of log x is 1 upon x. Again both denominator has the term x. Take left hand side, therefore and simplify it, we get x into x square d2y by dx square plus x into dy by dx is equal to here minus a cos log x, here again minus b sin log x, that is taken, it can be taken as a minus outside in bracket a cos log x plus b sin log x. And see here a cos log x plus b sin log x is the value of y. Therefore substitute for this as a y, we get x square plus d2y by dx square plus x dy by dx is equal to minus y, and this equation can be written as x square d2y by dx square plus x dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. This is the differential equation of the equation y is equal to a cos log x plus b sin log x. Next, third example is y is equal to c1 e raised to 2x plus c2 e raised to 5x. Here c1 and c2 are two arbitrary constants. Differentiate this equation with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to c1 is the constant, derivative of e raised to 2x is e raised to 2x into derivative of 2x is 2 plus c2 into e raised to 5x into 5, that is equal to 2c1 e raised to 2x plus 5c2 e raised to 5x. Divide by dx equal to this value. First suppose this equation as a 1, this as a 2. Again differentiate with respect to x. Again differentiate with respect to x, we get derivative of dy by dx is d2y by dx square equal to 2c1 is the constant into e raised to derivative of e raised to 2 is x is e raised to 2x into 2 plus 5c2 into e raised to 5x into 5, that is equal to 2 into 2 4 c1 e raised to 2x plus 5 into 5 25 c2 e raised to 5x. d2y by dx square is equal to 4 c1 e raised to 2x plus 25 c2 e raised to 5x. Suppose this equation as a 3. आता तुम्ही इथे व्हॅल्यू कोणतीही सबस्टिट्यूट करू शकत नाही, पण c1 c2 या व्हेरिएबलच्या व्हॅल्यू या कॉन्स्टंटच्या व्हॅल्यू कॅल्क्युलेट करण्यासाठी हे जे 3 इक्वेशन दिले मिळतात हे लिनियर इक्वेशन्स आहेत आणि these equations are consistent. Therefore, take the value of determinant as y from this equation. Take the constant of y, coefficient of C1 is e raised to 2x, coefficient of C2 is e raised to 5x. Next, in second equation, dy by dx 2 into e raised to 2x, 5 into e raised to 5x. In third equation, d2y by dx square 4 e raised to 2x, 5 e raised to 25 e raised to 5x, and value of this determinant is 0. Take common e raised to 2x in second column and e raised to 5x in third column and convert to right side. Get cancelled. We get the determinant as y 1 dy by dx 2 5 d2y by dx square 4 25 is equal to 0. And solve this determinant. We get y into 2 into 25 50 minus 4 into 5 20 minus 1 into 25 dy by dx minus 5 d2y by dx square plus 1 into 4 dy by dx minus 2 d2y by dx square is equal to 0. Simplify this equation. 50 minus 20 is 30. 30y minus 25 dy by dx plus 5 d2y by dx square plus 4 dy by dx minus 2 d2y by dx square is equal to 0. Therefore, we get 5 d2y by dx square minus 2 d2y by dx square is 3 d2y by dx square minus 25 dy by dx plus 4 dy by dx is minus 21 dy by dx plus 30 y is equal to 0. Taking 3 common in both equations, we get d2y by dx square 3 divided by 21 is 7 divided by dy by dx plus 10 y is equal to 0. Therefore, the differential equation of the equation y equal to c1 e raised to 2x plus c2 e raised to 5x is d2y by dx square minus 7 dy by dx plus 10y equal to 0. In this way, we have to calculate the differential equation. आता इथे एक हिंट आहे बघा. तुम्ही जर ऑब्झर्व केला असेल तर ही जी टर्म मिळते हिंट या टाइपच्या डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन मध्ये तुम्हाला डायरेक्ट आन्सर काढता येतं. म्हणजे तुम्हाला ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह मध्ये जर अशा प्रकारचे क्वेश्चन्स विचारले तर तुम्ही आन्सर्स कॅल्क्युलेट करू शकता. इथं e raised to 2x, e raised to 5x, that is the coefficient of x is 2 and coefficient of second term is 5. Therefore, this equation can be written as d2y by dx square minus 2 plus 5 into dy by dx plus 2 into 5 into y is equal to 0. असं तुम्ही डायरेक्ट डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन फॉर्म करू शकता. equation of general parabola, and here a and b are the two constants. Therefore, we can differentiate two times, then these constants can be eliminated. See the solutions. Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of y minus a bracket square is 2 times y minus a into derivative of y is dy by dx minus derivative of a is 0, which is the constant, that is equal to 4 is the constant. Again derivative of x is 1 minus b is the constant, its derivative is 0. Therefore, we get 2 into y minus a into dy by dx is equal to 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 into 4 is 4. Again divide 2, we get y minus a is equal to 4 upon 2 into dy by dx, that is equal to 2 upon dy by dx. Suppose this equation as a 1. Next, again differentiate this equation with respect to, again differentiate with respect to x. We get 2 is the constant. Use the product rule here. Y minus a into derivative of dy by dx is d2y by dx square plus dy by dx into derivative of y minus a is dy by dx, y is derivative of y is dy by dx minus derivative of a is 0 is equal to derivative of 4 is 0. Simplify this, we get 2 y minus a d2y by dx square. 2 gets cancelled. Here right side is the 0. Therefore, these 2 gets cancelled. We get y minus a d2y by dx square plus dy by dx minus 0 means dy by dx into dy by dx is dy by dx bracket square equal to 0. And substitute this value in equation 1, y minus a equal to 2 upon dy by dx. Therefore, we get from equation 1, we get 2 upon dy by dx into d2y by dx square plus dy by dx, its square is equal to 0. Then simplify this, we get 2 into d2y by dx square plus dy by dx into this term, that is dy by dx bracket cube equal to 0. This is the differential equation of the equation or the general parabola y minus a bracket square equal to 4 into x minus b. Next example is, form the differential equation of family of lines having intercepts a and b on the coordinate axis. That is, the x-intercept is a and y-intercept is b. Can be supposed let x-intercept is a, y-intercept is b. Therefore, equation of line is x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. This is the double intercept form of the line. Let 1 upon a is the constant, say this as a, and 1 upon b is again a constant, say this as a b. Therefore, we get ax plus b two constants. Therefore, 2 times we can differentiate it. We get differentiate with respect to x. A is the constant. Derivative of x is 1 plus b is the constant. Derivative of y is dy by dx is equal to derivative of 1 is 0. Therefore, we get a plus b into dy by dx is equal to 0. Now, again differentiate with respect to x. Again, differentiate with respect to x. We get, therefore, derivative of a is the constant, its derivative is 0 plus again b is the constant and derivative of y dy by dx is d2y by dx square is equal to 0. Therefore, we get b into d2y by dx square is equal to 0. b is the constant, cancel it, we get the differential equation d2y by dx square is 0 is the differential equation of family of lines whose x intercept is a and y intercept is b. Next, sixth example is find the differential equation of an ellipse whose major axis is twice their minor axis. तुम्हाला ellipse माहिती आहे? Suppose this is the ellipse and its major axis is suppose x axis whose length is 2a and its minor axis is b, y axis whose length is 2b. Then we know the equation of ellipse is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. Next, given that the ellipse whose major axis is twice their minor axis, if the x-axis is major axis whose length is 2a, therefore, given whose length is double the minor axis means a is equal to 2b. A equal to 2b. Substitute this value in this equation. We get x square upon 2b its square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. Therefore, x square upon 4b square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. Again, multiply this term as 4, we get x square plus 4y square upon 4b square is equal to 0. Therefore, we get the equation x square plus 4y square equal to 4b square. This is the equation of the ellipse whose length of major axis is double the minor axis. Differentiate this equation. Here b is the only one constant, arbitrary constant. Therefore, this equation can be differentiated only one time. Then we can eliminate the arbitrary constant. Differentiate with respect to x, we get derivative of x square is 2x plus 4 is the constant, derivative of y square is 2y into derivative of y is dy by dx is equal to 4b square is the constant, its derivative is 0. Therefore, taking 2 common and cancel it, we get x plus 4y dy by dx is equal to 0 is the differential equation of the ellipse whose length of major axis is double the minor axis. In this way, you have to calculate the formation, you can form the differential equation by eliminating arbitrary constant.